Model, 2007 Volkswagen Crafter County Route 35 136PS 2.5 TDI medium wheelbase, camper day van project starts drives. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 210934. MOT, 6 December 2024. Engine, 2459 cc BJL-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is perfect, dual-mass flywheel is rattling and will need replacing soon. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: electric windows, part converted camper. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999